Xiamen for face communication technology. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, my name is Ling. How are you?
My name's Jonas, and I invite our technical support Henry here.
Hi.
I'm Henry. I'm for face.
Hi, Henry. Yeah.
Hi.
So, would you like to put your about your company?
Yes, today I have prepared a PowerPoint, and let me show the screen first. So can you see my screen right now?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, so let's start for today's presentation. So for today's presentation, I will present the full-face smart streetline pole solution. And today's presentation will separate to the 4 parts. First is about company introduction. Second is solution introduction, and third is the product introduction, and last part is about the applications. So let's talking about our company first. So Full-Face was founded in 2008, and the headquarters is in Xiamen, China. And currently we have 4 sub-companies and 1 factory. So first is about the Full-Face communication. Second is Full-Face IoT. Third is Full-Face smart grid, and last is the Full-Face fire protection.
Okay.
And our mission is bring intelligence across all beings. And we have 3 R&D centers, more than 500 employees working in Full-Face. More than 70% of employees are the developers and engineers. And our products are selling to 200 countries. And currently we have millions of devices operating around the world. Let's talking about our advantages. So first is product advantages. Our brand advantages, because we specialize in end-to-end field, and we have the independent R&D centers and factories. And we got several certifications such as ISO 9000, CEFCC, and so on. And for the products, all the products are designed at the industrial level with the advanced technology, and we can provide our customers for the professional OEM and ODM. And for the service, we can provide a project and price protection, local marketing information sharing, and the professional technical support. And those are our customers. You can see our customers mostly are the telecommunication operators and the system integrators. And let's move on to the solution introduction. So for the smart street line pole solution, you can separate to the ACE system. So first is the smart lighting system. Second is the smart surveillance system. And also have the smart environmental system, new energy system, Wi-Fi system, 5G milli-based station, smart traffic system, and also the smart urban management system. So let's talking about the detail about the smart street line pole design. So here is the picture of the smart street line pole. So you can see at the top of the smart street line pole. Here is the environmental monitoring system. So you can insert an environmental monitoring sensor, for example, like the temperature, humidity, wind, and so on. And you also can provide a smart lighting to ensure that the energy saving, switching, control, and also intelligent optimization. So this smart street light pole also can provide a communication network like 5G, 4G, LoRa, optical fiber, and also Wi-Fi. He also provide a video monitoring feature to achieve the face recognition, behavior analysis, and dynamic tracking. He also can insert a sound box in the street light pole, so it can provide a government, emergency media, and other audio broadcasts. He has the LED display, so it can display the government, culture, emergency media, advertising, and traffic and other information to show on the LED display. And this also can design the emergency calling. So the people, when face the emergency situation, they can push the button and the police will locate the street light pole location immediately. And also at the bottom of the smart street light pole, you can support a charging pile to charge the power of the electric vehicle and also the mobile phone. So next, talking about the product introduction. So for 4-phase, the key products of the Smart Street Light Pole project, we designed a smart gateway. It's called FG300. So this is the introduction video. So just take a look.
The mute. The video is silenced, right?
Sorry?
Is the video silence? I can hear the voice from the video.
It's a video for the key product of the Smart Street Light Pole gateway.
Okay, but I cannot hear any volume from the video. It's normal, right? It's what you want, right?
Actually, it has sounds. Maybe we can move to the next slide.
Okay.
To have more introduction. Okay, so this is the interface of the Smart Street Light Pole gateway designed by the 4-phase. So you can see from the pictures here, it has the of the GPS, LoRa and Zigbee, Wi-Fi antenna, and also can provide a 4G and 5G antenna. And it also has the TF card, have the dual SIM card slot to ensure the stable network, and it also can provide a AC output and input. From the backside of the Street Light Pole gateway, it has the IoT interface such as the RS232, RS485 relay port. You can using the IoT interface to connect with the IoT devices like the environmental monitoring sensors and so on. And you also can provide an optical fiber to achieve the high-speed data transmission. Also provide a WAN and LAN pole to connect with the devices. Some of the LAN pole can provide a PoE, so you can provide a power to the devices. And it also has the analog input and output, DC voltage output. And let's talking about the feature of the Smart Street Light Gateway. So first is about the transmission, because it can support the 4G, 5G, optical fiber, and Ethernet transmission. You also can have the temperature alarm to support the main board temperature alarm. For the system stability, this is designed as the WTD watchdog design to ensure the system stable, and also can support the Ali Cloud, Microsoft Cloud, and other third-party cloud platform. For the secondary development, because he can support the Python and C environment for the secondary development. And this product design a dual SIM card, and you also can build in the eSIM. So let's move on to the applications.
Yeah.
So this gateway not only using in the smart street line pole solution, but also can use in several scenarios, such as smart city, traffic, condominium, factory, school, campus, and also the park. So those are the real cases of the smart street line pole solution. So that's all for today's presentation. So do you have any question?
Yeah, thank you so much for introducing me with the smart street line, because this is brand new for me. But after listening to your presentation, I knew so many knowledge from your presentation. So I have several questions.
Yes.
First, how to connect the smart street light devices to the gateway?
Okay, as Jonas' introduction and our intelligent gateway can support rich interface like IS485, IS32, and GPIO ports, and HDMI video output. So you can use it to connect light controller and IP cameras and LED screens and the charging pile and the one key alarms. And you also can use it to connect the environmental monitoring stations and some sensors like water level sensor, temperature sensor, and most sensors. Yeah.
So can this gateway be used in other scenario except in the smart street light? Can it be used in other scenarios except the smart street light?
Okay, the intelligent gateway, it also support suitable for municipal administrations and highways and the characteristic towns, scenic and paths, since it supports rich features and interface. And we also provide SDK and the Python and the C environment to support secondary programmables. And I think it is also suitable for most industry applications.
Okay, yeah, okay. So thank you so much for the information, and I know so many information about the four-phase company. Thank you so much again. Okay. So anything more you want to introduce?
Currently, we don't have some.
Now, okay. So, yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
go ahead.
If you are interested, you can just go inside our website. It's called www.fourphase.com. So there has more products introduction, and also you can download a data sheet and also some user manual if you are interested in this product.
Okay, thank you so much. So see you guys next time, okay?
See you.
Okay, see you.
See you, bye.
See you, bye.